From the first time I saw you, I knew you'd be mine. And from the first glance you gave, my world had slowed, you stopped the time. And in that moment I could see all of the things that we would be. You were the girl I was waiting for, that I would ask to marry me.
And I love how you encourage me.
You encourage me in every way.
That's it. That's all. I'm crying.
Sean, I'm so happy to be married again. When I said I wanted to live with my mom, you made it work for you too. I don't say it enough, but I could not imagine having a more supportive partner than you. I have chosen you, Sean.
Alone from all the world to be my wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
Better for worse.
Richer for poor. I pledge you my love and respect.
I love you.
It is my honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife.
Meet some people if you'd like and have a great time. Seeing Chelsey's connection to her family really spoke to me. You know.
She ditched me because this might be the one, and sure enough, here we are. We met a man that isn't afraid to ask for directions. And you may actually be taking whoever he asks along with you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming. She was covered in dirt.
That you may wear it as a symbol of the vows we have made this day. You guys are terrible.